What is going on, bitches? I am back with another one, and today I have the Jordan System 23s. Now this is a bit of a weird one because I just hate everything about this. I hate the box. I hate what they're trying to do with the box. I hate I hate the shoes. These are not sneakers, these are shoes or slippers or clogs or whatever you want to call them. Nah, man, I mean, I'm very mad with this one, you know. I'm very mad. Look what it says on the inside, man. It says we're working to ditch the double box and ship shoes in a single shoe box. Why would you do that? Made with at least 90% recycled content. You can do this to the move to zero pack. I mean, that's perfectly fine because that's the whole idea of those sneakers. But leave the normal ones alone, man. Give me my box. I mean, people love collecting boxes. I like boxes. Alright, don't take that away from me now. Not now. I'm not ready for that. Anyways, man, I mean, here they are. Jordan's take on the clogs. With a little bit of a twist, to be honest. And we'll get into that in a minute. And here are the extra insoles. The extra insoles basically allow you to wear these clogs without the neoprene layer, which from what I understand is sort of like a waterproof layer, right? Which is nice. The only problem I think we may face is the sizing issue. I mean, from what I can see, it looks a bit tight, because obviously it has two layers. But I got this in a size 8, which is sort of like my usual size. And I was just curious if I should have gone with a size 9, because you can't get half a size. You can only get this in 7, 8, 9, and so on and so forth. But yeah, I mean, the quality is very nice, surprisingly amazing. It just feels very high quality. So here's the neoprene layer. It looks a bit like a ballet shoe, but the visible part has the elephant print, which is very nice. And as you can see here as well on the outsole, you can wear these without the clogs, sort of like a slipper or just socks, you know, like something you can wear on the inside to keep your feet warm, I guess. Now I will definitely try these on separately as well in a minute. Now here are the insoles. So you get these insoles, which are the black ones, and you also have insoles inside of the neoprene layer, which are a little bit smaller, and it is the reason why I'm a little bit worried, because it seems to be a little bit tight, a tight fitment. So just putting the insoles in, I don't think you can wear them like this. I think it'll be very uncomfortable. Just putting the insoles in now, and this is what it would look like. These are basically like clogs. It was very popular this year for some reason. I mean, all the hypebeasts were after them. It just seems a little bit silly to me. I mean, are they comfortable? Of course they're comfortable, don't get me wrong, but just paying all that money for some fucking clogs, man. Why would you spend so much money on them? They're just fucking slippers. They're just comfortable slippers. Oh my god. So anyways, guys, let's carry on with the on feet. Now here they are on feet, everything inside, the clogs, the neoprene layer. Now I can definitely tell you that these are very tight for me, but it's just the sides They're a little bit too snug for me to be comfortable. But in a minute I will definitely remove the neoprene layer and try to wear them without them. We cannot skip this review without the crease test. And creasing wise, you guys will be 100% safe because of how stiff the toe box is. And when you're walking, you'll just feel it as well. It just won't get creased. So unless you're creasing it like me, obviously, then you will see some creases, which I have done, and I have seen a bit of a crease at the front, but that's okay. All right, because when you're walking, you're not gonna walk like that, and if you are, you may have some problems. So here's the neoprene layer on its own. Again, like I said, it looks like a ballet shoe, but even on its own, I mean, if I was to wear them as they are, they won't cause me too much of a problem fitment wise. But with the clogs, with the layer inside the clogs, it's too tight, and it became uncomfortable at one point, and I took them off. And here they are without the neoprene layer. Definitely more comfortable for me. Yeah, definitely more comfortable for me. Yeah, I mean, now we got this space here, and now there's just too much room on the side, and just overall, man, without the layer, just it seems like the sides are hitting a little bit, and the whole fitment is just not for me. I don't know, man. I didn't like these. I didn't like the way they feel on my foot. It's just the whole thing for me right now. For me personally, I'm not a fan of these, and I will definitely not be buying another one with a different colorway if they do release. But yeah, I mean, as I say with all my other videos, if you are interested in them, I would recommend you try them on yourself. Go to a Nike store, man, and try these on, because everyone's feet are different. I'm telling you, they might not fit me nicely. That might be uncomfortable for me, but for you, they might be very comfortable. I'm just giving you my take on these. And again, for me personally, these are just not it. And yeah, I mean, and it's a whole thing, man. I mean, even the price point for me, it's just at £100 and above, I would pay for sneakers. All right, I don't want to pay £100 and above for some clogs that I can get for a lot cheaper. And yeah, it's one of those things, man. I mean, it's a personal preference, I guess, personal taste. If you're willing to cash out on these, then go for it, man. I mean, try them on, and you might like them. And yeah. So anyways, guys, that's it for me. That's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know below, and I will see you bitches on the next one.